Today's recipe is a ginger beer. As the name suggests, this is not an alcoholic beverage. This is an excellent probiotic drink, good for your stomach health. It helps in nausea, and if you have flu. It is also good if you are having morning sickness, and it relieves all kinds of stomach ailments, and it is good for overall health. A teaspoon or so of this ginger beer can also be given to children if they're having tummy aches or tummy upsets. So this shows that this is not alcoholic and is safe to be given to children too. This beer is mildly carbonated, but this is not artificially carbonated but naturally done. For that we need, in the first step, to make a ginger bug. What a ginger bug does is creates natural yeast, and with that yeast we will be fermenting the ginger and lemon mixture. So let's begin. Firstly, to make the ginger bug, I'm taking 1 inch of ginger which I have washed thoroughly, but I'm retaining the skin because the natural yeast components are present in the skin. I'm going to put this ginger pieces into a glass bottle. This bottle has been sterilized and dried clean. To the bottle I'm going to add the ginger and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Top it with 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled water. Mix well till the sugar dissolves. Cover with a cotton cloth and secure it tightly with rubber bands or with a string, and keep it aside for a day. This ginger bug essentially is like a house pet. You need to feed it daily. So every day we'll be opening this up, adding 1 more inch of ginger cut into pieces and 2 more tablespoons of sugar for the next 5 days. Don't add any extra water. The sugar, as it dissolves, will give you more liquid. After the second day, you can start seeing a bit of froth on top. That is the yeast forming. This is natural yeast. After 5 days, we'll be actually making the beer. For the beer, I have taken 150 grams of ginger, washed, cleaned it, put it into a blender, crushed it lightly. In a big pan, I'm boiling 2 liters of water. To the water, adding the crushed ginger, 1.5 cups of sugar and half cup of jaggery. The jaggery is for the color that it will give the beer. I forgot to shoot it, but there is 1/2 cup of jaggery for the color. Once it has simmered for 10 minutes, I've removed it from the flame and allowed it to cool to room temperature. Once it has cooled, I'm adding juice of 4 lemons. And roughly 1 cup of the ginger bug. Mix everything well. Now I'm going to sieve this mixture. For sieving the mixture, I'm putting a cotton cloth over the sieve so that there is no minute particles that go through the sieve. And then transferring it into glass bottles. You can also put it in plastic bottles of good quality. I'm using glass bottles, but a problem with the glass bottles is that too much of gas forms and it may burst. So for that you need to burp the bottles daily. When I say burp, I mean you need to open the lid and close it immediately and keep it aside once every day. And also do not fill the bottle to the brim, leave the necks empty. do this burping of the bottles every day for 3 days, and your ginger beer will be ready. Did you hear the fizz when I opened the bottle? Your homemade ginger beer is ready to be had. It's not just excellent for your health, it is superbly yummy too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.